Hey folks, Chris Schmidt, Key West Makers. It has been a long time. I know it's been a long time since I've done a vlog. Many of you know that I did one vlog in between that's a little bit out of sequence when my daughter and her kids were visiting, and Maddie and I made a Lego box. But I didn't talk much about kind of our life and what's going on. So we have an awful lot to catch up on. Recap a bit of where we were from the vlog before that. We had closed on the new house, had not closed on the old house yet. The insurance company on this new house was threatening to cancel our insurance because of some repairs that had to be done. And I was a few days away from leaving for Vegas. When I was coming home from Vegas, my brother was going to be visiting. In the time since then, we have closed on and moved into this new house, went to Vegas, got deathly sick, came back from Vegas obviously, recovered in a day by hunkering down under a homemade blanket with apparent mystical healing powers our friends Tony and Sherry had sent us just a week before. Had a great visit from my brother, his wife, and their son Parker, who I like to call Patrick. This fence has been installed, built a shed. Well, it's a prefab shed. We didn't really build. We assembled a shed. How's that? Quite a bit of updates in the shop. Left the full-time corporate world, and most tourists coming in. Started my first customer project for Key West Makers, a t-shirt dispenser for a bar downtown. My daughter came to visit, started a ton of renovation projects on this house, which you will see in future videos. Hopefully catch you up. I don't know if I can get it all done in one vlog, but I promise to get my vlogs out more frequently. Also, website revamp, so look for that. When it comes to the YouTube channel, I have new channel art on all the thumbnails so you can clearly identify our videos in YouTube. And then we'll separate those videos into the weekly vlog, kind of about our life and what's going on. And we have some woodworking projects, we have home renovation projects, and I've got some shop projects and shop tips, updates on the shop. And we'll make it very clear which of those categories each video falls into, and you can select kind of the ones that you're most interested in. I've always wanted to live on a tropical island. When I was a kid, I would look through the JCPenney or the Sears Christmas catalogs, and that's when back when you'd look through a catalog instead of the internet. But they had these great wall murals of a tropical island, palm trees sort of curving over a sandy beach with aquamarine, pristine waters in the distance, and I wanted one for my room so bad. In fact, I wanted to live there so bad I would dream about it. So fast forward many years, my wife and I have been coming to Key West for probably 20 years, 2, even 3 times a year sometimes. And so you would think it was a dream come true when we finally pulled the trigger and decided to move here. But the house that we first bought when we moved into Key West was barely livable. There were scorpions, there were rats, there was holes in the floor from termites and rot, which was kind of nice because you could keep an eye on the scorpion nests in the crawl space below the house. All this at a ridiculously high price that I never dreamed I would pay for a house growing up on the shores of Lake Michigan. But we had a 3-year plan to transform the house, and we did transform it. In fact, we made it so nice we didn't want to sell it. I woke up almost every day feeling like a gypsy in the palace. Then Hurricane Irma hit, and it hit hard, and the real estate market really hit a low here for a few weeks after the hurricane, while folks weren't really sure if the Keys and Key West were going to come back. And in those wild days after Irma, sure enough, we found a distressed house that had been neglected for many years, and the hurricane probably did some additional damage, but it was on a beautiful lot, gorgeous part of town, close to the beach, close to downtown. As a bonus, had an equally dilapidated outbuilding that we could potentially use as the Key West Makers shop. So we saw it online Monday afternoon. Tuesday we looked at it. Friday we had an accepted offer, and we found ourselves looking at each other Friday evening over drinks, wondering what we had just done again. Now keep in mind, at that time we were still trying to recover from Irma, trying to get our house repaired. So we weren't in any shape to put our house on the market. So when we moved into this house in June, it was still in pretty rough shape. No more gypsies in the palace, to be sure. Well folks, that's about it for this vlog episode. Well, why not hit that subscribe button so you can get notified when new videos come out? Keep up to date with us on our adventure on this crazy little island. As always, thanks for watching, everyone. Take care out there. Bye for now.